How to enable or disable show key presses on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Ultra, or the Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. From here, scroll down to the input section in here. Okay, so in the input section, tap on show key presses. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now here it says show visual feedback for physical key presses. So when you have a physical key presses, it will show the feedback. Finally, tap on the home button. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.